Hello YouTube. A couple of years ago I bought this, one of those inflatable hot tub. Hot tub is pretty good, but the power supply that came with it, power pack I should say, that came with it was not worth much. It let go within 6 months, and to get it repaired I had to send it to Miami, Florida. So I had to pay the cost to ship it there and ship it back, and they were not warranting anything. So I decided to build myself one. So this is what I came up with. I had already the pool filter, and used that as a filter. Actually works very good for a filter. Don't have to clean it as often, and it cleans up, keep the water a lot cleaner than those paper filters that comes with those machines or those tubs. So what I used was one pool filter. I got myself, this is a pump, a circulating pump for hot water system, and it circulates the water pretty good. What you see now, that's a well for the thermostat, and the part that I had to fabricate is this here. I'll try to get a good shot of it. This is where my element is. This is a 1000 watt element, 110 volt. You could use 1500 watts, I suppose, which are easier to get, since you could get those at a hardware store at 1500 watts, because they do have hot water tanks that use that. I also got myself this parts here. This part here, that is the limit switch on a hot water tank. You don't want the water to get too hot, so that's my safety here, which is about a standard hot water tub power pack has, but without all the electronic controls that usually comes out. So my water comes from the top here. Water comes from the top, goes into my temperature sensor, then goes into my pump, and this is where the water goes into my filter. My water comes out here and goes down to my heater. Then it goes directly into my hot tub. Heats up the water pretty good. 1000 watt is what the company had put in their power pack, so that's what I decided to put. I put 2 valves. I did the whole plumbing out of 3/4 inch PVC pipes. I put 2 ball valve here, so that if I need to work on this, I don't have to empty the hot water, my hot tub. This valve here is my water inlet, and also I got 2 more valves. This one here and this one here. When I want to clean my filter, I shut this valve and I shut this valve, which isolate me from the rest of the tub, the rest of the units, and I put a hose here. This is the drain for the filter, and I just put it for whenever you use, same thing you would do on a pool, clean your filter, just turn the handle. Right now it's on filter, and just take your handle, turn it to backwash, and it cleans your filter. it drains here to a drain, and I put a hose here to put the water in. I just use tap water going right through it. Now, just like to leave it there. The controls. Well, controls are very simple. I got one of those timers. I like these because it's got 5, 10, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Just press whatever you need. And the temperature control. This is made by Johnson Control. It's a A419 with a temperature sensor, which I just drop in the well. Right now, all these are apart because I'm doing some renovation in this room. So I have it in my basement, in my den. I like it here. Anyway, with this on, this piece is not it's not something I move very often, so it's kind of hard to move that one compared to the power pack, which was very small. But with this filter, I could take a hot I could go in the hot tub almost every night and only do one backwash every month, so it does not use a lot. It does clean the water very good, and also the chemical lasts a lot longer in it. Out of the original power pack that came with it, I kept a couple of things, like the power cord that came with it, and also this is a turbine that pushes here in the hot tub, and naturally that is the plumbing for it. Wire's a mess. I'll have to figure that out again when I put everything back together. So here it is. This is my answer to a power pack. Question? Comments? Just write it down. Thanks for watching.